GT8 Drone 4K, 6K, 8K Professional Aerial Camera with 4.3-inch screen controller, brushless motor, obstacle avoidance, 3 battery bundle. Elevate your aerial photography game with the GT8 Professional Drone, a powerful and intelligent flying companion designed for immersive, high-definition FPV experiences. Whether you're a beginner pilot or an experienced drone enthusiast, the GT8 delivers exceptional performance with its brushless motor system, electronic image stabilization, dual camera setup, and intuitive screen-equipped controller. Foldable, portable, and packed with advanced features, the GT8 is the perfect drone for aerial photography, travel vlogging, creative filming, and gifting. Glowing star key product highlights. Model: GT8 drone with obstacle avoidance. Motor type: 1503 brushless motor 4000 kV. Camera options: 5G Wi-Fi 4K, 6K, or 8K UHD resolution. Lens: 120 degrees wide-angle front camera plus optical flow bottom lens. Control frequency: 2.4 GHz anti-interference. Built-in display: 4.3-inch LCD screen on remote controller, no need for smartphone. Remote range: up to 3,000 meters, in open, interference-free environment. Battery: 3.7 volts 1300 mAh Li-ion, up to 15 to 20 minutes per battery. Charging time: approximately 90 minutes per battery. Included batteries: 3, extended flight up to 60 minutes total. Folding size: 13 x 8.9 x 7.2 centimeters. Unfolded size: 28.5 x 26 x 7.2 centimeters. Weight: only 177 grams, avoids aviation registration in most countries. Advanced camera capabilities: 4K, 6K, 8K UHD camera options, choose your resolution for stunning aerial imagery. Electronic image stabilization, ICE, ensures smooth, shake-free videos. Adjustable camera angle, via controller or app, for dynamic shooting angles. Dual lens system, switch between front and bottom cameras as needed. Real-time image transmission through 5G Wi-Fi or screen remote for FPV experience. Gesture recognition mode, snap photos or record videos with hand gestures, 1 to 3 meters range. Intelligent flight features: altitude hold mode, automatically stabilizes drone at desired height. Optical flow positioning, enhances indoor stability by detecting ground movement. Headless mode, easier control, especially for beginners. One-key takeoff, landing, launch or land your drone effortlessly. Waypoint flight. Draw a flight route on your app screen, and the GT8 will follow it. Fixed point hovering, ideal for hands-free shooting and cinematic effects. Obstacle avoidance system, sensors help the drone avoid collisions mid-flight. 6-axis gyroscope, ensures smooth and precise control. LCD battery display on both drone and remote for real-time monitoring. Screen controller, no phone needed. Forget fumbling with your smartphone. The GT8 includes a 4.3-inch LCD screen controller that displays the live feed and flight data. It's ready to fly out of the box and allows for real-time FPV flying without any extra setup. This makes it perfect for beginners, kids, and those who prefer simplicity. Lightweight, foldable and travel-ready. At only 177 grams, the GT8 is lightweight and compact enough to bypass drone regulations in most countries, such as the 250 grams registration rule. The foldable arm design allows it to fit easily into the included storage bag, making it a great travel drone. Perfect gift for all ages. Whether you're gifting it to a hobbyist, traveler, content creator, or teen tech lover, the GT8 offers unbeatable value and user-friendly performance. With 3 batteries included, it provides extended flying time right out of the box, a huge plus for gift buyers. What's in the box? 1 GT8 foldable quadcopter. 1 4.3-inch LCD remote control transmitter. 3 drone batteries, 1300 mAh each. 1 storage bag, 1 memory card plus card reader, 1 USB charging cable. 1 screwdriver. 2 user manuals. 8 spare propeller blades.